In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to identify who shares your content on social media. This powerful tool can give you valuable insights into your content's performance and help you tailor your strategy to boost engagement. So let's dive right in and explore how to effectively use Ubersuggest for your social media analysis. First, we need to visit the Ubersuggest website. Open your browser and head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. This will take you to the homepage of Ubersuggest, where you can access its array of SEO tools designed to enhance your online presence. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a prominent search bar on the main page. In this search bar, you'll need to enter either your website's URL or a competitor's website, whichever you're interested in analyzing. After typing in the URL, simply click on the search button to initiate the process. Once the analysis is complete, look to the left-hand side menu on your dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Traffic Analyzer. Click on it, and then proceed to select Top Pages. This will bring up a list showcasing the most popular pages on the site you entered. The tool organizes these results by their performance metrics, allowing you to easily assess which pages are attracting the most interest. Next, you want to check the social shares for each page listed under Top Pages. When viewing this section, you'll notice that each entry features several columns including estimated visits, backlinks, and social shares. The social shares column specifically breaks down the number of times each page has been shared across platforms like Facebook and Pinterest, giving you a clear indication of a page's reach and popularity on social media. Now that you have this data, it's time for some analysis. Take a close look at which topics or types of content are garnering the most social shares. Pay attention to features such as catchy titles, engaging visuals, or particularly useful content, all of which can inspire users to share. This is your opportunity to understand what resonates with audiences and why certain content goes viral. Finally, using the insights you've gathered, consider how you can implement similar strategies on your own site or channel. The goal here is to create content that matches or even surpasses the success of these popular pages. Whether it's by emulating engaging headlines, utilizing stunning visuals, or providing indispensable information, you can optimize your content to achieve better social media traction. And there you have it. By using Ubersuggest, you can discover precisely who is sharing content and why, letting you fine-tune your approach for greater impact. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!